Name is Jericho Eladaza. I am passionate to work about helping people and staying organized and making tasks easier, which is why I am very excited about the opportunity to work as a virtual assistant. I recently graduated with a Bachelor of Physical Education degree, and beyond my studies, I serve as a SK counselor in my community. In this role, I have led educational programs, managed events, and helped handle administrative tasks or responsibilities that strengthen my leadership, problem solving, and communication skills. This experience taught me how to work under pressure, manage multiple tasks, and support a team effectively. On the technical side, I am skilled in using Canva, where I have created over 100 layouts for community and civic events, especially Microsoft Office for reports and presentations, and Google Workspace for collaboration and file management. I am also comfortable with online communication tools like Zoom, Google Meet, Skype, and social media platforms for engagement. While I may be new to a virtual assistant field, but what sets me apart is my eagerness. My eagerness to learn, my strong work ethic, and my genuine passion for helping others to succeed. And I'm adaptable, quick to pick up new tools, and committed to deliver high quality results in every task assigned to me. Thank you for watching my introduction, and I'm looking forward to the chance to bring my skills, energy, and dedication to your team. God bless.